What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can register for US Bank's online banking account. Now before I show you the way, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and let's move forward with the video now, shall we? First step, search for register US Bank online banking account. Click on the first link over here. It will bring you to this website. Over here, click on versus login and then choose create a new password and username. Once you do that, it will take you to its registering page. And once you're over here, you want to choose which type of bank account you have. I have a personal, so I'm going to choose personal. And then you want to enter your account or your debit card number over here and last four digit of your social security number. And if you have a PIN, you can enter it. If you don't, click on no, I don't have a PIN. Click on continue. After this, it's a total 4-step process, so it's gonna ask you to do some more things. After filling up all the form correctly, you should be registered for US Bank's online banking account. So that's how this works. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye-bye.